Hey, what's up, you piss nuggets? So, I'm back on 2016, or just WWE in general. Oh, what? Who? Where? Where am I going? I'm back on here, so that means I just have a new custom. I tried to make this video earlier, but, I had to go eat dinner. We had Burger King, thanks for asking. So, I made Robin, but there's a twist. I made the Robin from like the 80s not cartoon, but like show with Adam West. And I I made the but like he's named differently because I couldn't use Tim Drake, or I think I did use Tim Drake. I couldn't use Dick Grayson because I couldn't find the name Dick in the game, which is no duh. I'm stuttering a lot, aren't I? To be honest, I didn't really feel like I knew I had to make a video today. I just didn't really know what to make it on, but I should probably pick my character. You know what? Uh, nah, actually, my favorite person or my favorite version or I I don't know anymore, dude. I just gotta get this video over with. Where is he? I'm trying to find Kofi Kingston because he's my favorite team member from the New Day. Kofi. Oh God. So there's no sound coming out of my PS4, PS3. I don't know why. It's just not making any noise, and I don't know why. Maybe hold on. I'm gonna investigate real fast. I couldn't figure it out, so but I did find Kofi, Night of Champions. Ugh. So he didn't really take that long to make, considering I did kind of take the lazy route on his entrance. I did the easiest thing I could. I I took Cactus Jack's thing, uh, because the Tim Drake, I think, is. I'm pretty sure Tim Drake is the version of Robin where he turns into Red Hood. So Cactus Jack, he does like the whole bang bang thing, and Red Hood uses guns or whatever. Then I used Edge's thing, uh, because edgy. Tim Drake is edgy, or whatever Robin this is. I don't know why I'm acting like this, dude. I'm more enthusiastic of my videos. I just kind of feel so. Like, I'm not gonna say who it is, obviously, but I have been getting small amounts of hate. I guess it's just bugging me because, like, I kind of feel like I'm not meeting up to their expectations. Because I have a low budget camera, which is just a phone. I have a tripod that's broken on many occasions that I've fixed on many occasions. I've games that might not have their interest. Yeah, I'm actually like, I don't know. Oh God, yeah, I just don't know how to play this game anymore, dude. Why'd you wait, dude? Oh God. All right, time it. Got it. Yeah, dude, I just not played this game in a while. Whoa, hey. Very nice. So yeah, I'm not gonna say their name or anything. I'm just crap. Too late. Yeah, I just I. Plus, I couldn't really find anything to. Well, what? I could have swore I got that on time. Yeah, I don't know, man. Okay, drums. Very nice. Are you kidding me, bro? Right when I'm making a video, I just all of a sudden hear drums. It's probably. Oh, that's how you run. Okay, 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 okay. Can I interact with him? Thanks. Bam. So yeah, I try to go for like the most athletic thing to do with Robin. Don't knock me off. Don't. He's gonna knock me. Yeah, I knew he was gonna. Oh come on! I don't. Oh, you know what? I know what I'm gonna do. Um. Whoa. Okay. Yeah. Reverse that. Owie. Oh, dude, I am just so bad at this game now. Bro, come on. What is this game? Dude, I'm so bad. I can't even remember how to get up anymore. Oh god. Oh. No. I gotta. No, 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 no. Okay, yep. Keep tapping. Keep. Get to the ropes. Get to the ropes, you idiot. He's so dumb. There we go. Okay. How do I? I can't. I can't. I can't play this game anymore, dude. Oh crap! Get out of that. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. How do I play this game again, dude? What do you... Is he... How do I... No. I can't believe how bad I am at this game now. I used to be Jesus at this thing. And then he just... Yeah. You know what? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, dude, I am just garbage at this game now. Holy crap. Got him. Bop. Yeah, we gotta get this. Bang. Sweep the leg. Go for the pin or not. Ah, got him. Bop. Yeah, it's very awkward when there's like no actual like... Oh, Jesus. There we go. Oh, God. Crap. 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 Crappy. This might be it. Nah, we good, we good. We be living, bro. Oh, Jesus. What? Got him. Bop. Scoobity boop. Bang. Alright, we got that. Oh. Oh, what? Dude, no. Ah. Heck. Oh, crap. Oh, dude, what? Ah, I'm so bad at this game now. No! Mom! Mom! We'll play another one. Alright, it's time. So, hopefully I don't lose this one. Yeah, I just keep cracking up to myself just because I've gotten so bad at this game. Like, I can't even remember how to get up on my own. I can't remember how to, like, just... I've gotten really bad at this game because I've gotten so used to Smash Bros, gotten so used to Fortnite. Fortnite! Fortnite! Of course he would break out of it. Ooh. Reversed. Get freaking bopped, kid. Bop. Bop. So far, so good. Not a hit. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Suplex. Ooh, reversed it. Got him. Got him. One. Got it. Don't shove me. Oh, God. Okay, okay. Yep, you can shove me all you want, buddy. I don't care. What, you think I care? Nah. Bam. Drop to kick the back. I do actually remember having really good times playing this game. The campaign was fun. I just kind of wish that I had, like, some of the later games, like 2K19, because I hear that one's pretty good. Like, you can make your own intros and stuff. I mean, you can already do that, but, like, you know. I don't know what I was trying to do. Kick him in the back. Bam. Oh, God, I tried to reverse that. I'm probably giving the most boring... Just... It's because this game doesn't necessarily spike my interest anymore. This game is kind of old news. Especially the PS3. The stare-off we had. Yeah, the PS3 is not really known for its... I would say games. Oh, wait, you want to stand up? Bam! Don't really remember that being my signature, but okay. You know, I kind of always thought that the... I don't want to pin him. I want to pick him up. And the kick. Bam. Kicked him right in his freaking nose, dude. 2, 5, 8, and we won. Let's just pretend that that was our first game. Deal? So that's gonna have to wrap it up for this video. If you liked it, leave a like, leave a comment, hit that notification button, subscribe for more, stuff. I was planning on doing another, like, a new outro that, like, I don't know, man. I just feel like I'm gonna get criticized for this video. I don't know, man.